Hello and welcome to the Department of English. Today's video is very special, especially if you're a student thinking about studying English Literature honors. Let's talk about what you should know before choosing it. 1. It's not just about reading stories. Many students think English honors is only about reading novels and poems. But actually, it's a deep academic subject. You'll learn about history of English literature, literary criticism and theory, classical and modern texts, poetry, drama, fiction, essays, from different centuries. 2. It needs critical thinking. English honors is not about memorizing answers. You need to think, analyze, and write your own ideas. Professors love it when you express your personal views with logic. 3. Time management is key. There is a lot to read. From Shakespeare to modern writers, you'll be reading hundreds of pages every term. So, be ready to manage your time smartly. 4. Strong writing skills help. You'll write essays, answer long questions, and give presentations. If you enjoy writing, you'll feel at home here. If not, don't worry, practice will help you improve. 5. Career opportunities are growing. An honors degree in English can lead to teaching, content writing, journalism, civil service, publishing, creative writing, higher studies and research. English is now a global language, so your skills will always be in demand. Conclusion. English honors is a great choice if you love reading, thinking, and expressing yourself. It is challenging, but also rewarding. Choose it if your heart is in it, not just because someone else told you to.